Hi, I'm Tom from Food Related, and in today's video we're going to be making jerk chicken wings on the Perlite Hibachi. So for my jerk marinade, this is the key. Okay, this is allspice, and I've got whole allspice, so if you can get hold of it and grind it up yourself, it just gives you the most amazing flavour, like way better than ground allspice, which if you leave it too long in your cupboard can just turn to dust. And the other key ingredient to this jerk marinade is this Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, it's fruity and delicious, and it just gives it an amazing flavour. You can use habaneros if you haven't got a Scotch bonnet. It's just type of habanero anyway, but it gives it such a fruity flavour. Then we've got all the other traditional ingredients. So we've got some pepper, we'll do some orange juice and some lime juice from the garden, got some scallions, some spring onions from the garden, got some garlic from the garden. This was grown last summer, it's just frozen, but that's fine. Got some thyme from the garden, and we'll add some white vinegar, some olive oil, some soy sauce, which is going to give that umami flavour, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of black pepper. So what we're going to do is juice that, chop that, get those off there, take the stalk off that, I'll keep the seeds in, peel my garlic, I'm going to chuck it all in the NutriBullet, blend it all up, and then we are going to marinate our chicken wings for at least 12 hours. So we'll probably do it for 24 hours to really make sure that flavour works its way in with the help of the vinegar and the soy sauce. Ooh, got a little bit of that on my lip. You can just smell the fruitiness and the heat. You can really smell the heat from that habanero, that Scotch bonnet pepper. So we're just going to marinate these chicken wings. Looks quite green because of the spring onion that I put in. I put in quite a lot of the tops of the spring onion. So we're going to marinate this for 24 hours. The acid from the orange juice and the lime juice and the vinegar is going to enable this jerk marinade to really penetrate the meat, and it's going to taste amazing. So we'll cover that and we'll refrigerate it for 24 hours, and then we'll get it on the hibachi grill. So we've got the charcoal lit in the Perlite Hibachi. This little hibachi that we made out of perlite concrete, lightweight concrete. And what I've done is I've double skewered 3 chicken wings at a time. That's going to fit over our gap nicely. I'm just going to let this charcoal finish getting nice and white, and then we'll stick the chicken on. So we are cooking over quite high heat here with this hardwood charcoal, and what I'll do is I'll just keep turning the chicken wings every minute or so, just to make sure they don't burn and we get a nice even cook. So just on the grill, I've got most of the heat condensed here, and I've got a cooler spot on the end, and just rotating them just so they don't burn. A little bit of caramelization going on there, which is lovely. So it's pretty cold out here. It is winter. Here are our hibachi cooked jerk wings. Oh, they're good. Getting that nice heat from the Scotch bonnet, all the aromatics. Lovely crispy skin, I don't know if you can see that. So all up, these were probably cooking for maybe 8 minutes, maybe 9 minutes, and as I was turning them, so that isn't very long to be cooking a chicken wing, but it's well cooked. Everything's going to come off the bone real easy. Yummy. Give this a try. I'll put the full recipe in the description below. So if you want this recipe, check it out. I'm going to actually cook some more jerk chicken recipes. I want to try using some applewood chips because we can't get pimenton in New Zealand, so we don't have that allspice tree, but what I'm going to use is applewood as a substitute. So make sure you come and check out those other videos. So if you don't have a hibachi like I've made, you can just stick your chicken wings in the oven. These have been in for about 20 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius on a fan oven, and these are looking tremendous. So if you've got some other ideas of things we can cook over the hibachi that might not be traditionally Japanese, leave in the comment section below. I always love a challenge, and I've got a few ideas up my sleeve, so watch this space. Smash the thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you're new, and give this a go. It is